In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate a web page in Safari on your iPhone. Translating web pages can make browsing much easier, especially if you come across content in a language you don't understand. First, open Safari and go to the web page you want to translate. Once the page loads, look at the top of the screen in the address bar and tap the small AA icon or the square-looking icon, depending on your iOS version. A menu will appear, and from here, select Translate to your preferred language. If this is your first time using the feature, you may be prompted to enable translation for web pages. Simply confirm by tapping Enable. Safari will refresh the page, and the content will now appear in the language you selected. You can switch back to the original language anytime by tapping the AA icon again and selecting View Original. This built-in translation feature in Safari works smoothly for most websites, but if you encounter any issues, make sure your iPhone's iOS is updated to the latest version for the best performance.